Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can activate WhatsApp stickers and how you can include new WhatsApp stickers and how to send the WhatsApp stickers through WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp and you can, if you click on type a message, a keyboard appears, but you have to click on the smiley to access the WhatsApp stickers. I've highlighted the smiley, click on that. After you click on that, in the below menu you can see smileys, gif, and a third option, stickers. If you don't find that option, then please update your WhatsApp app through Google Play Store. Once you update, you'll be getting this feature. So after you update that, you can see I have two stickers. One sticker is by default, that is having some stickers already. So if I send something like this, so the sticker is sent. So if I want, I can check for the favorite stickers here, and the stickers are sorted as per the emotion. And even, for example, all the smiley stickers are coming here sorted. And if I want, I can add some more new stickers. This sticker I've downloaded from the net, and I'll show you how to download new ones for you. So before that, I just want to show you how you can favorite a sticker. Right click on that and you can see like long press on a sticker, and you can see would you like to add the sticker to your favorite. Then you can click on add and it'll appear in your favorites. So this way you can favorite a sticker as well. After that, you can see a plus symbol here. Through that you can add new stickers. I'll click on that. So these are the all stickers available. You can see the my stickers. I have two stickers available. I can drag and reorder for the sticker packs. And to download new stickers, I can click on this. These are the default stickers available. I can just click on the download button and they get downloaded. You can see it. If I want more stickers, then I can click on this get more stickers. It will lead me to the Play Store page. There I have a lot of stickers like New Year stickers. I can click on, you can see there are a lot other stickers available. So I'll click on this New Year stickers and click on install. So once this is downloaded, the stickers will be available for me to include in the WhatsApp. So now I'll click on open. So based on your location and information, you can do that. And there are some more apps to create new stickers as well. So now I'll click on plus symbol to add this to sticker of WhatsApp. So now the stickers will get added to WhatsApp. So the sticker got added to WhatsApp. So let me now go to WhatsApp. So after going to WhatsApp, you can see in my stickers, I can see the New Year pack. So now I'll click on New Year and I'll click on Welcome 2019 and it gets delivered. So this way I can click on, I can add new stickers to WhatsApp and send. So hope this video was helpful to know how you can create stickers on WhatsApp, and or if you don't have that feature, and how you can favorite a sticker, as well as how you can include new stickers through WhatsApp. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. Do like and subscribe to this channel if you like the video, and to stay connected for more related videos. Have a nice day. Bye.
You say you wanna try, but you never